Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Nestled approximately 55 kilometers northeast of Edmonton, Redwater, Alberta, is a town rich with history and community spirit. Its name originates from the Redwater River, so called for its distinctive reddish hue caused by local ochre beds. The early 20th century saw Ukrainian settlers arrive in 1907, followed by British and French immigrants. These pioneers transformed the area from untamed wilderness into a thriving agricultural hub. A pivotal moment in Redwater's history occurred on August 30th, 1948, with the discovery of oil. This event rapidly changed the landscape, propelling the small farming community into an oil boom town. Today, the Legacy Interpretive Center stands as a testament to this transformative period, offering insights into Redwater's oil heritage. For those keen to delve deeper into the town's past, the Redwater and District Museum showcases a collection of artifacts and photographs, narrating stories from the early settlers to the oil boom era. Notably, the museum features an exhibit titled "When Oil Hit Redwater," providing a fascinating look at the boom and bust cycles of the 1950s. Recreation enthusiasts will find much to enjoy in Redwater. The Redwater Community Golf Course, established in 1959, offers a welcoming 9-hole experience suitable for golfers of all skill levels. Nature lovers can explore the Redwater Recreation Area, renowned for its unique sandy terrain and extensive trails. This area is particularly popular among off-highway vehicle users, offering some of the best trails in central Alberta. Community events are the heartbeat of Redwater. From volunteer appreciation nights to seasonal programs, there's always something happening that brings residents and visitors together. Redwater seamlessly blends its rich history with modern amenities, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere for all who visit. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.